I have a fun unboxing for you today. I got this like 2 days ago from the Grace Company, and so I'm so excited to show you what is in here. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Angie from Angie's Quilting Studio, and today I'm going to show you a fun little box that I received from the Grace Company. They sent me an email a week or two ago to test out a fabric panel that they're going to use. I think they're going to, I don't know if they're already supplying it or they're going to supply it to people, but they, or to sell it to people. But they want me to see if they want to see if I would test it for them. I said, sure, that sounds good. So they sent me a box, and I'm going to open that for you. And then maybe next week I'll go ahead and put this on my long arm, the panel that they sent me, and show you how I quilt that. Okay, this is fun. I don't usually get any mail like this. I think I've gotten one thing to test before, but nothing for my quilt, so I'm very excited about it. Okay, here's the paperwork they sent me. It's instructions on how to load it onto the frame, things like that. Yes, this is exciting. This is the panel. I'll show you that later. Oh man, they got me some fun stuff in here, so very excited. The first thing is the finesse thread. This is 50 weight and 100% polyester, 1500 yards. It's called King of Atlantis. It's really pretty, and it's a variegated thread. And then I have this 50 weight, 100% polyester. This is called Smoky Quartz. Very pretty. And then, oh, this is fun. I did need another rotary cutter. I do have one. This is a true cut cutter. And you probably, if you see a couple videos down, I did a short on my rotary cutter. I'm clumsy, and I did last time I was using it, I dropped it, so it didn't really hurt it except for this black piece at the bottom falls off, and it's a 45 millimeter, and what they sent me was a 60 millimeter, so I'm very excited about that. So, and they sent me some rulers to go with it. Oh, I don't have these. I have several of their True Cut the rulers, but I don't have these. And if you might not notice, but it has a lip right here to where when you run your rotary cutter over there, there's kind of a groove that runs in that lip, so that way you don't cut yourself or the fabric cuts straight. So that's very exciting. This is called a 60, 90, and 120 degree kite ruler. Perfect for small shapes and pieces. So I'm very excited to try this. Oh, and they got me another ruler. This is a square one, a 9.5 by 9.5 ruler, square. Oh, and some True Grips. I have been wanting to order some of these. What these are they'll you put these on the rulers, and as you're cutting the fabric, they won't slip and slide on you. They'll keep it nice and sturdy on your fabric, so that way it won't slip around. So I'm very excited about these as well. Oh, and last but not least, they sent me the batting to go in between for the quilt sandwich. If you don't know, if you don't quilt, you put your top fabric, and then this goes in the middle, and then you put your backing. So now I'm going to show you the top panel and the backing. So this is going to be the backing fabric. You cut your batting and your backing slightly bigger than your top fabric, because that way you get a good, you're able to quilt on the edge of your fabric. So if you cut it the exact length, it won't go all the way to the edge. You can't go all the way to the edge. And here's the panel. Oh, that's super exciting. So you just get to play and have fun. And they made little areas to where you can follow the lines, or you can just do your own thing through there. And the paperwork kind of shows what you can do with this, and you can like write your name up top. I'll show you what I do with it once I get it completed. But yeah, that's a lot of fun. I'm very excited to try this. So I'll go ahead and next week I will load this onto my long arm, and I'll show you exactly how I quilt it, and then I'll let them know how, or I'll actually let you guys know what I think of it. But I'm very, very excited about what I did receive. I was not expecting all this other. I really was just expecting the panel, and I didn't even think I was going to get the batting, but that's very exciting. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week when I quilt it.